Hi students, now this is grade 11 Applied Mathematics chapter number 3 for exercise 3.1 continued with the questions 19 to 24. Now the previous videos for part 1 and part 2 you will find question number 1 to 18. Question number 19. The average of runs Virat Kohli, the famous cricket player of last 10 innings, was 72. How many runs he must make in 11th inning to increase the average by 3 runs? Now you need to find the total runs in 10 innings, that is average into number of innings. That will be 72 into 10, that is 720. Now to find the new average, it's already given increase in averages by 3 runs. So 72 plus 3 will give you 75. So new average after 11 innings is 75. Now how we are going to find the total runs which is needed for 11 innings? So 75 into 11, which is 825. Now what we have to find here? We need to find runs which are needed in 11th inning. So number of runs what we have to find, children? Again the same thing. You need to subtract 825 from minus 720 will give you 105. So what is the answer? Answer is 105 runs. Question number 20. 5 boys whose age are of a family of 5 was 32 years. The family includes Mrs. and Mr. Rai, their son, daughter and daughter-in-law. Recently, the family moved out of the house after marriage at the age of 30 years. Calculate the family's present average age. Now we need to find the total age of 5 family members. Again the same step, 32 into 5, that will give you 160. Now subtract the age of the daughter-in-law who moved out. That is 160 minus 30 will give you 130. Now next step is you need to find the present number of family members. Now we know one stepped out and total were 5. So 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So what will be the present average age? So the total number, which is 130, divided by 4 will give you 32.5. So answer is 32.5 years. Let's see question number 21. An insect starts from point A and covers distance AB in 4 seconds, then covers distance BC in 7 seconds, then 5 seconds and 2 seconds. Now you need to calculate the average velocity. So for this, you need to find out total time taken, 4 plus 7 plus 5 plus 2, 18 seconds. Average speed, how do we find? That is total distance upon total time. That will give you 18 upon 18, that is 1 meter per second. To find the displacement, children, if you see in the question, the insect returns to the starting point A. Okay, it starts from point A and it returns to starting point A. So displacement will be 0. Okay. Now for this you need to find the average velocity, that is displacement upon time taken. So now it comes back, like it starts from the initial, comes back to the final position. It takes the same displacement. So displacement will be 0. So same distance covered. So displacement upon total time, that is 0 upon 18, will give you 0 as the answer. So what is the final answer here? Average speed is 1 meter per second and average velocity is 0 meter per second. Question number 22. Sarah walks 72 km in 1.5 hours, 3.5 km in 2 hours in the same direction. What is Sarah's average speed for the whole journey? Students, I request that if you pause the video and try to solve these questions, because these are the questions which doesn't require a big or major calculation. You just have to simply substitute in the formula. So while you will be solving with these steps, you will get the final answer. We can go on to question 23. In public school, maths grades for the year are calculated from assignments. Tests and assignments count 30%, test 20% and the final exam 50%. If Rohit scored 85 marks in assignment, 72 marks in test and 91 marks in final exam, what is Rohit's overall grade in marks in maths? So you need to calculate the weighted marks for assignments, likewise taking the percentage one at a time, and you will get the data 25.5, 14.4, 45.5. So when you calculate, you will get total 85.4. Children, also in the textbook sometimes the answer varies, but here the calculation are being rechecked, so you can solve the questions without tension. Let's understand question 24. This is the last question of exercise 3.1. Varun scored 66 marks in his labs and assignments in first semester, 82 marks in his labs and assignments in second semester. How many marks should he score in the final exam to achieve 80% overall? In a college, the overall grade in physics is calculated with weights as follows. So this is data is given on the screen. So let marks in final exam, which we don't know, we consider it as variable x. Using the weighted average, as I have taught you in the previous questions, so you have to take 66 marks, so it is 30%. Then again it is 30%, and then again it is 40%. So likewise you have to take one marks at a time, taking the percentage. Then you need to simplify. You can put it in the decimal form, which is equal to 80. Using the linear equation rules, you will find the value x as 89. So your final answer is 89 marks. So thanks for watching, students. This video was on chapter 3, Quantitative Aptitude. This chapter exercise 3.1 is completed. In all the 3 videos, you can follow, like, share and subscribe. There will be more videos. Next exercise 3.2 will be coming soon. So thanks for watching. God bless you and take care.